Here is the app called Microsoft Start. So just tap Get to install it and double click to install. This app provides you quick access to breaking news, one-stop app to stay informed, productive, entertained, and inspired. So yeah, it's just basically like a news aggregator across different media sources, and then you can just select, different publishers, different categories, different angles. And yeah, this is one of the top apps in this category. There is an app called Smart News, and then you just need to um, personalize your feed. Um, and then, yeah, here you can just also use Copilot if you want. Um, so you can integrate it here. But yeah, you can just go to news and then just select news, add topics, and then just search for some topics. Um, so then you can just add those. Um, for example, and then yeah, you can just find some interesting stories here. So that's what it is.